Hey guys, Jack here, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a really quick and simple video just to show you how to install a SIM or micro SD card into the Samsung Galaxy S20. This applies for all the models from the S20 up to the Ultra, and all you're going to need is a nano SIM and a SIM ejection tool, or failing that you can use something like a paper clip, unfold that and use that. So here I have just the S20, the standard model. It's still powered on, you don't have to switch it off, but if you have just got the phone, you can obviously do this before powering it on. And then if you come to the top here, you'll see you have a microphone hole and the SIM card slot here. So you want to put the SIM ejection tool into this hole here and just push it in. And you'll see it pops up like that. And then use your fingernail just to pull it out. And then you will see here, you have two slots. One is the micro SD card slot, the bigger one on the top, and then the SIM slot there. And it is dual SIM capable, so you can put in two SIMs if you want. That would go in the top slot there. But I'm just putting one in, so I'm going to go ahead, put it in there, like so. And you want to put the contacts facing downwards or to the back of the phone. So it can only go in one way. And I'm not putting a micro SD card in, but if you were, you'd put it in that top slot. Again, contacts facing backwards. And so with the contacts facing backwards, you just want to slide it back into the phone gently, because it is plastic, so don't force it if it's not going in. And then make sure it's flush with the phone, so it's still got a waterproof seal. And then it should go ahead and connect straight away. And as you can see up there, we are connected to 4G. So that's how you install a SIM or a micro SD card into the Samsung Galaxy S20. If you have any questions, do post a comment down below. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button. It always helps out the channel. And if you're new and want to see some upcoming S20 content, make sure you hit subscribe over there on the left. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.